Hello friends, this is Dr. Sam and I'm here talking to you about the technology space. The technology space, a lot has changed in the last 2 years. A lot of people have lost their jobs. The interest rates are very high and companies are not investing in new projects. And there's this AI has taken away a lot of jobs. So the problem is that established people who had very good jobs are right now out of business. That is the scenario, and it's very tough. So what do? How do we fix this problem? Well, if you come to us, we can help you. We can help you get trained in the latest technologies. For example, if you want to learn artificial intelligence, data science, cybersecurity, blockchain, Internet of Things, quantum computing, the latest technology, and be a project manager, a business analyst, or a product owner on this, we can surely and definitely help you. So yeah, very, very excited to help folks get trained, get certified. We have courses which run short and few weeks or 6 months long. If you want to learn neural networks, Python, data science, PyTorch, Scifit, all that, we can help you get trained. We can help you get the right resume. We can mock you and see that you understand the technology. We can give you a couple of projects from our clients and help you work on portals and design a system which is excellent, and then put that on your resume. Then we can market your profile and help you get a job. We don't guarantee anybody jobs, but we have 30% success rate, and we figured out that the success depends on how much hard work you are willing to put in and how much smart work you're willing to put in the sense, do you really understand the networks, how they work, large language models, how does the cybersecurity space work, the cloud computing, which is from Amazon, Microsoft, Google, how does that work? So if you understand all that and you can talk about it, we can surely get you interviews from our clients and help you get a job. So yeah, so we are an end-to-end company in the tech space. No other company can claim that. Neither Coursera, nor Udemy, nor Simplylearn, nor any other company in the market does that. So I myself, I'm a professor and founder of a company, Strategism Inc, that I've built in $40 million in last 17 years. And I'm an author of many books on project management technology. You can find them on Amazon. So we look forward to hearing from you, and we're pretty excited to help you find your next career. We can even consult with you and see what your skill sets are and guide you what you should be doing next, so that you can be employable and make six-figure salaries. For those of you who are not in IT and want to get into IT, this is your chance to jump the bandwagon, get the right knowledge, and get excited and get a career in technology. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks a lot for watching. You can send an email at contact@strategisminc.com or sam@strategisminc.com or training@strategisminc.com, strategisminc.com. We'll be very happy to talk to you, and one of our expert trainers or expert salesperson will be delighted to speak with you and carve a career for you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. This is Dr. Sam.